What is this, trip number 3? 3 or 4? 3, I think. And we're still in the $20,000 mark area. So yeah, we need some money here. We need to get some stuff. This wood just is not selling for the price that I want it to sell. All right. Come on, truck. I know there was a trailer in your way, but you know what? I don't care. All right. And I guess for a change of pace, we could grab all the dry stuff and start loading up the dryer, so we can wait another 10 days before more stuff is dry. That's why I wanted to take as much as this stuff and the bark as we could, because we know that we have lots of this stuff, so I don't think it's enough though. I mean, oh, that's right, I had to get out of the truck here. Yeah, we have $28,000. We should break the $30,000 mark when we sell this one. So that would give us 90 more thousand to do the trailer and the tractor here, because we got to go with the big boy tractor. There's no reason for us to go to the small tractor. No reason whatsoever. We got to go for the big boy. The 134 horsepower. All right, and stop. All right, there we go. Sell. There we go. We're over 30,000. Yay! And there was much rejoice. Oh yeah, gotta wait until the thing opens up, I guess. Alright, and my Stream Deck just is not working right now again, so that's fine. For some reason, I got to take a look at it. It doesn't like when I put my computer to sleep. It only likes when it's on a fresh reboot. Then it works no problem all the time. But whenever I can put my computer to sleep, it doesn't like it. It's amazing how dirty this truck gets, even though we drive just on all pavement. Except for our little dirt path right here. Alright, just to make sure, mine went haywire after the last update. Same issue with sleep. Yep. Yeah, I was gonna tell you, I think that's what the issue is. It's the sleep now. So it only works right when... Oh, these are all zeros. Cool. They are all zeros now. So let's start taking some dry pallets. So, and I'm so used to just sleeping my computer, I'm going to have to turn it off all the time. I can't even give my shout outs. But I know everyone here, if they're smart enough, they're watching Gargoyle. So, and they're watching Deuce. And they've probably found me on YouTube and all that other good stuff. They know the routine. Come on. I know there's another one to pick up here. There we go. Oh, it was on the top. Okay. I thought it was on the bottom. All right, well, let's go take in a load of dry. And then we'll come back and have the fun job of reloading all the dryers. I love driving the forklift. I so love it. I wish the game had more forklift driving. I really do. Because of my awesome forklift driving skills in this game. And if you haven't guessed by now, yes, that was just loaded with sarcasm. But the only way I'm going to get better is by doing it, I guess. So that's what we just have to do. So as we drive back and forth here, contemplating the meaning of life, as we just stare in awe of the beauty of nature, and we wonder why cars sink into this bridge. We remember that, yes, we are lucky to be around. There we go, $2,000. All right. Well, Ray is a master with the forklift. I mean, honestly, I don't know anybody else who does it as good. You know, and I'm sorry, that's my opinion, but he's better than you, Gargoyle, in my opinion. He's hands down, hats off. You know, he's got it down pat. He was so good on that thing. So, and I'm sure he's gonna just love the forklift game. I think I know which one it is, but there was a forklift simulator game or something like that, wasn't there? That came out a while ago. So, and I'm assuming that's what it is. All right, let's grab some more dry planks here. I mean, when workers come into play, I would seriously almost think about paying a worker to fill these dryers up. I do not like playing these dryers. I suggest flatbed trailer. You earn that needs to be bed loaded by forklift. Oh, no, no, don't suggest that. Don't suggest that. You're going to have guys like me just cursing your name. Ray, why? Why'd you do it, man? Why'd you do it? I hate driving this thing. Warehouse, oh yeah, warehouse and logistics manager. You know, the sad thing is that's what I do currently. That's my official title, even though most of the time right now I've been driving because, well, I'm already employed and it's better to have the drivers stay technically laid off. So we just don't have enough to have them all come back, so, and I can handle it all. Plus I can do their job, but they can't do my job, so I guess it kind of works both ways. Here I was, I thought my driving days were over. Truck is expensive. Oh, yeah. Whoa. Yeah, we just wanted to see if that pole was sturdy enough. We were doing a structure test on it. So I had to make sure that the paint met the specs of you know, running into it. Took 30 trips with forklift to buy a truck. Oh, that's right. You drove back and forth with the forklift. That's how you got so good with it. I just used James's truck. All right, boom. All right, so now we can load up the last of the dry stuff, grab some more of the chipboard, and then we're down to bark. So we're nowhere near the amount of money that we need. Nowhere near it. We could sell this truck right here that we're on. I don't know why we would do it, but we could. That would give us some money. But that would kind of defeat the purpose, though. And selling the old stuff I don't want to do. One, because we might be able to repair it and get more money for it. And two, I just know it's not going to be worth a lot. So I just don't see the reasoning to do that yet. So, but you never know. You never know what I'm going to get. I mean, I could just hotwire the uncle's tractor and trailer and sell that, right? But no, enough about the uncle's tractor and trailer. That's not ours. And who knows, maybe later on in the game, when we buy the lumber mill from him, he just might give it to us. Wouldn't that be the shocker? After everyone's saved all that money to buy their own, and then the uncle's like, well, I don't need it anymore. You bought the mill. Here you go. I mean, then I guess we could have two of them. I guess that wouldn't be a bad thing. All right, come on. So have you come down to a movie night yet, Gargoyle, or no? They bounced the last payment and is under remote lockout. Yeah. You're going to have the repo guys come to your house late at night. You'll wake up in the morning after hearing some strange noises. Or mysteriously the phone will ring. Hello? Yes, I'm just calling to inform you that I'm stalling you as we are driving your tractor away right now. Don't mind us. We're just doing. All right. It's either that or that'll be the next thing. After you pay $250,000, you'll have to pay another $150,000 to get the tractor and trailer. All right, Ray, you want to come over to my house and you can load up all the dryers for me? Because, yeah, I don't really want to do it. I am terrible at doing it. All right, and you're on. $1,900. There we go. All right, now the last thing to sell is the bark. We know we have at least 4 trips on that. So we'll start selling the bark now. We'll load up the dryers though. As much as I don't want to do it, we have to do it. So I'll pick up trees. I don't care. I'll pick them. You want them pick up? I'll pick them up by hand and carry them back to you. I don't care. That's how much I love driving the forklift. See, you got it nice because you're doing it on a steering wheel. Well, I'm still old school and doing it on mouse and keyboard. So I'll have to get the steering wheel all set up. I have to get a steering wheel first though. All right, let's put some fuel in this thing. Let's actually give this thing a bath, and we can park this here for now. All right, refuel and wash. Hey, well, look at that. That's the color of our bed, huh? Wouldn't have guessed. That would be great. MP, RP, the logger, the driver, and the loader, the sales. Oh yeah, see? Yeah. There we go. That's the multiplayer function that we're adding. Each of us has a different job. All right, let's start loading up the pallets here.
All right.
Love driven games.
Thank you very much, Ray. Thank you very much. All right. I don't mind driving games like racing and stuff like that. Yeah, I call sales, yeah. I don't mind driving the trucks. I don't mind loading the trucks. I don't mind unloading the trucks. Just don't put me... Oh, yeah, and beer. There you go. Alrighty, here we go. Come on. For those of you just lurking, don't be shy. You can still lurk, but it's a lot better when you join the conversation. I mean, you can make fun of my bad driving too. I don't mind. I don't mind at all. Alrighty here. Alright, only 13 more to go after this one. Why couldn't they make a conveyor belt that runs automatically to the dryer, and then we just have to pick them up out of the dryer once they're done? That'd be nice. I mean, it's on rollers already. Why couldn't they just extend the rollers out a little bit more? You know? No, it's all good. It's all part of the game. I mean, just think, we didn't even have a forklift in Farmers Dynasty, so... Yep. Oh, yep. I'm stuck. No, okay, I got it. I'm stuck. There we go. All right, I didn't want to call another tow truck here. Not for a high-low. We don't want to do that. All right. Bad driving lessons continue here. On how to not drive a forklift by Bone. Tonight in the news, local man goes crazy after driving high-low, filling up dryers with wooden pallets. Story after sports. Today in sports, caber tossing was delayed today because the Swedish man thought that the logs were not of the right size. After measuring, though, they were found to be the right size. So caper tossing will resume tomorrow. Now in weather. Today in weather in Pleasantville, The weather today is shiny.
Nice.
It is sunny. It is really sunny. And tomorrow, the weather, well, we don't know because we don't have a forecast here because we don't have enough money to buy a radar. So tomorrow's weather is just going to be a random guess. We don't know. Now, to some guy that I haven't thought of a name of doing traffic.
Well, today's traffic was bad. There was lots and lots of accidents. For some reason, the people that live around here have no idea how to drive. They keep on running into each other and sinking in the road.
All right, that's my really bad news report of whatever Pleasantville, is that our name of our town or whatever it's called? Can't remember what town we're in. This forklift driving's got me so flustered. I gotta just keep my mind doing on something else so I don't think of how bad it is. I mean, we've already got 2 of them completely filled though, huh? We are actually moving, knock on wood, pretty good. I mean, I could have done some Robin Williams impressions there too, but that I can't. I don't want to. I don't want to take away from something that he has already mastered. So, I mean, can't do a Good Morning Pleasantville, you know. Good morning, Pleasantville. Pine Grove, there we go. Yeah, Good Morning Pine Grove. See, I knew it was something like that. Why did I say Pleasantville? That's like that's a movie. Yep. Good morning, Pine Grove. It's 0600. What's the O stand for? Oh my God, it's early. Speaking of early, picture a man going on a journey beyond sight and sound. He has entered the Lumberjack Zone. What is the Lumberjack Zone? The Lumberjack Zone is where you cut down trees, you put them in the water, and you get planks out of them. And then you stick the planks in a dryer with a forklift that doesn't operate right. All right. Here you go. That's something for your movie night, Gargoyle, is the old Twilight Zone movies. Or you might actually remember this because you probably watched this. The old TV show called Amazing Stories.
All right.
You forgot the dryer that does not work.
I forgot the dryer that does not work. There's a dryer that does not work? Is that like the washing machine that does not wash? Oh, come on. Get in there, get in there, get in there. And thank you very much, though, Ray, for your generosity today. It is very, very heartfelt, let's say that. Ray Bradbury. Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, I mean, it's more Roger Sterling, right? Or was it Roger Sterling? Not Roger Sterling. Sterling something, right? Rod Sterling. There we go. Rod Sterling. There we go. But that was the Twilight Zone anyways. And Amazing Stories was Steven Spielberg. Steven Spielberg. Holy cow, I can't even stop. Steven Spielberg. There we go. But Ray Bradbury, I mean, yeah, no. I mean, you're talking about old shows that, yeah, I would watch that. Oh, heck yeah. Throw out some Matlock, too, right now, you know. Hill Street Blues, you know. We just got to think of, I mean, because I don't know what movies you have, but I know you. I mean, you have access to all the stuff, all the channels and all that. But I don't know how that would for some stuff. You know, let's say you want to watch a movie that's not on any of the services at the present time. I mean, I'm sure you have digital downloads and all that too. So, all right. Well, we actually filled up all the dryers, even though some of them the handles are sticking out, but that's okay. And all these are still all full. So let's move our forklift. How much pallets do we still have over here? Quite a bit, probably 89 left to create. All right, how much bark do we have? 17,000. So, yep. Okay, so let's turn in our bark. You know, I was thinking about getting a pet tree. You know, instead of a pet dog, the bark is less. All right. Oh, it's going to be, I miss driving the truck already. See, this is another reason to get the new tractor. Just the speed alone for driving. So nice, so nice. The wheels on the tractor go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the tractor go round and round all through the day. Telling you though, I miss wearing a flannel shirt like that. 20, 30 years ago, man, I wore a lot of flannels. Oh, yes, we do. We need new equipment. But we're going to get it. We're going to get it. One way or another, we're going to get it. I know I need to cut down so many more trees. I am tempted, though, to use the social points. I mean, I have 130,000, so... And I don't see a reason to have social points yet. I mean, yeah, we probably need like the 50,000 or whatever that we, you know, need to get married and get workers and stuff like that. But I mean, the tractor is 90,000, so that's 45,000 points. The trailer, I want to say, is 17,000, I think. So, you know, that's going to be, what, 8,500 social points. So, that's not a lot of social points that we would need to get rid of. I don't like doing it, though. I don't like getting rid of my social points. I mean, if we got a bigger trailer, too, that would help us out. And I don't know how much the trailer is off the top of my head. I'm going to guess around 11,000, 12,000. So, maybe a little bit more, but I don't think the trailer would be that much. And we still got to get the dune buggy. We have enough money to buy the dune buggy now. We could get the dune buggy now, and then we could do the transport missions faster, which would give us more money than doing this, maybe. Let's see how close we can get to 45 though when we're all said and done. Is that empty? Yep, I think it is. If we can get to 45, we'll at least buy the new tractor. Just for the speed. And then we just got to, then it's less that we have to save up to get the trailer. But I don't know what, I mean, the log trailer probably would be the best trailer, the best first trailer to get instead of the cargo trailer. But I don't know. The day's not over yet. Maybe we'll win the lotto, you know? Local lumberjack wins the lotto. Buys every single piece of property, including the hotels. Fixes them all up and opens them up for business. Mayor protests, but then mayor was found to be missing. Mayor must have went fishing. Yeah. Yeah, that's where he went fishing. Then the cast of LA Noire shows up to do an investigation. I don't know if I'm looking forward to LA Noire when that comes on my rotation that I'm doing. But it's a game, we want to beat it, so I got about halfway through it, I think. And then just got so frustrated with the whole detective series part of it. Dude, what the heck, Van? Come on. Could be worse. Mayor's wife found it local. There you go. Ha-ha. Well, I mean, you know the name of our lumber company. I mean, you know, it goes without saying, right? You want wood? We got wood. At least we know that next time we load the game up, that magic tree will still be there. Mayor's daughter was hot? I don't remember.